Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. Now, this is the freebie request. I don't have any kit to showcase. So this page here, the lovely Diane is a member of my VIP lounge monthly subscription. Diane dropped me a text, a DM on Instagram, and she's asked if I could design a few embellishments, few Victorian embellishment. The prompt was she needed something on a lace background, something small, to decorate a Victorian journal that Diane is doing now. I thought, yes, I have. So my heart doilies, I use them as a background to layer things on top. So I asked Diane, heart shape, okay? And she said, yeah, she loved it. So my starting point was this lace background, and then I layered some flowers. I don't know if you can see, but there are some flowers, and then there is a Victorian cute child layered on top. Okay, so there's quite a lot of layers on this. Diane, I hope you like it. Of course, guys, you can download it. You can get this for free. Let me show you how to get this. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I hope you like this freebie. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you tell YouTube that you like what I make. Guys, I'm going to go. If you have any freebies requests, leave me a comment down below. I got a little list I'm walking through, but yeah, anything that you guys need to create a project, and if I have the materials in terms of like images, of course I'll make it for you. Guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.